Okay. Oh! Oh my gosh! That did not have anything to do with Miss Kira. Holy!
What's up, people? We're back at Striking Spare today for Bowling Baddies Club mixed doubles with Kira Mahone. She's a two-handed righty from Spring Arbor University. Never bowled together, so hopefully it goes pretty good. We get some handicap, and it's on house. 7 games of qualifying. 3,500 for first place, guaranteed. So let's make the run. Let's get it.
Oh, that's so bad. Okay. It doesn't matter. Wow.
Locked in. Locked.
The one I just high-fived.
Okay. Yeah, I got second to her last time, so.
My goodness. That ball may be old. All right, let's put this one close here. Oh, that's just a bit outside. Push. Oh,
Naturally.
that one's just a bit outside here. Oh, the big fold. I think I'm just gonna have to go one left every time, or at least half. Hey, but when you're, yeah. Hey.
I put him in the wrong set for brackets.
Hey! Come on. No!
Boo! Get that 7 out.
So my guess is we just pulled some oil down.
Pretty good. Oh, wow. Okay, pick it up.
Hey! Hook. Oh God. How does that strike? All right, pick it up. Out of trouble. Hey. Oh, yeah. A little closer. That one's a little inside. Oh, push. Oh my gosh, Devin Richards. Hook.
Bro, how does that not hook?
Have you tried taking the lens off? I know, but you can just like take it off and see if it's just a lens.
Oh, come on.
Oh. Yeah. Second, have you found another person?
Carry, please.
Like, have you found your double?
Thank you. Oh my God.
For the turn. Hey, if it falls off, don't hesitate. I don't. Even if it takes you a couple friends. Oh God. Okay, not bad. Yeah. Oh! Just gotta use the oil. Hey. Oh boy. Oh my God. Hey. Oh. Brooklyn. Go. All right. Yeah, right? Nope, nope, that he's locked. Everybody that's scoring is locking the front. Yeah! 300. Shocker! Where did Kevin go? Oh! Hey, there you go. All right, good shot. That's so really good. Thank you. Less people that want to buy it. Okay. Hey! Good shot. Float in there. All right, a little fast. Oh! Hey. Carry. Oh, it carried. Please tell me you got that smile. Yes. What? One. Carry. Ah. All right, pick it up. Ah. Very good. Ah. One more. Carry. Let's go. You just said.
Yeah, let's go. Making a reset, what? Oh.
Yeah, so 1 in 5. Oh God! Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh, a little right.
Oh!
Say it again.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh.
That did not have anything
Thank
to do
you.
with Miss Kira. Holy run over! Good shot.
Yes, let's go.
Yes! Hey, good block, good block.
Bang.
Hey!
God, we're so locked in. Good.
More than 3. Okay, it's more than 3. Hey, 7. That is how. Carry! Oh! That's gotta carry. Told you.
Go for 8th frame here. Oh! That.
God, I love that off my hand. Okay. Hit it. Oh!
Let me have my fun. Do it. It's. Keep striking.
Yes!
Yes!
Come on.
Give me my
let's go.
bracket money. Come on. Up. All right. Pick it up. You're good. Pick it up.
I mean, I guess me and Kevin are in. Yep. Yep.
Genuinely kill yourself.
All right, yeah, dude. Hey, get. Yeah, try something else.
AJ Jamal.
Alright guys, so after game 4 we were 28 back of the cut. Game 5 I pushed us back a little more, but we're still in it. In 2 good games, let's get it. guys. So unfortunately, I went plus 330, and she didn't bowl very good. She didn't have her best stuff today. Which really sucks. Would have loved to make the cut and make some money, but always good to bowl. Always get to learn something. Even when you're down. What was I going to say? Oh, yeah. Even when you're down, always find peace and tranquility in what you love. See you guys later. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.